Your attention, please. Your attention, please. Please be advised, buses are experiencing extensive delays. Authorities in New Jersey are completing a plowing operation along eastbound 495. Again, authorities are completing a plowing operation near 495.
The Port Authority was what I was referring to. You had enormous chaos there last night, and there is a reasonable explanation at one level that the chaos was because the buses weren't able to get across the Hudson River to get in to pick people up, so the disconnect between the amount of people and the amount of buses was unusually high.
I've been parking on the street for 35 years in Albany, so you know, snow is always tough, but I like the Northeast and I like snow, and it's good.
All right, where are you from? Miami. Originally from Boston, but there's a reason why I left Boston, and this is it.